செயல் வேண்டும். கனக்கும் செல்வம் 100 வயது, கனக்கும் செல்வம் 100 வயது, இவையும் தரணி கடவாயே. எனக்கு வேண்டும் வரங்களை, எனக்கு வேண்டும் வரங்களை, இசைப்பேன் கேளாய் கணபதி.
Thank you, Mrs. Jayashree, and thank you for that bit of music also. Now I would request Sri N. Murli to have a few words. Thank you.
Good afternoon, namaskaram. I don't want to spoil the lingering sweetness of Bombay Jayashree's music by giving a somewhat absaram speech, but then it's my duty to say a few words to you. Sri Sabharatnam, the dynamic chairman of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Chennai Kendra, Sri Rajshekhar, the chairman of Kala Kendra of this great organization, the brand ambassador of VXL Education Society, the popular musician Bombay Jayashree Ramnath, Dr. Vasudha Prakash, the live wire behind this whole initiative, Mr. Ramasamy and Sri Kandasamy and friends. Participating in a function like this actually uplifts one, and I'm no exception. In fact, we feel truly humbled by participating in a program like this where passion, compassion, and caring for others, I think, are the hallmarks, because from what I've known also and what we have seen VXL Education Society doing in the cause of special education is commendable indeed, because Dr. Vasudha Prakash, the driving force behind this, is she qualified in PhD in special education, and she has been the founder of this organization which has been doing yeoman service to this cause of children with special needs for the last decade or so. VXL Education Society is no stranger to some of us, because I myself have, we are involved in a small school initiative, and we know their work. We are associated with them in talking about this issue and creating programs for schools, primary schools, basically school teachers, how to tackle and address the needs of children who have special needs. And therefore, I, at the outset, would pay my tribute to their glorious work they are continuing, and I hope they will continue to do that. Today's initiative is a wonderful initiative called Taran, which in a way, as it was described, it means wave in Hindi, but VXL Education Society has already been making waves in this field, and they have touched the lives of at least over 4,000 youngsters, children in Chennai and outside in Tamil Nadu. This is a great idea because our performing arts, our music particularly, is a great unifier, a leveler, and has therapeutic and healing values, as Dr. Vasudha Prakash expressed, because people with various challenges have no recreation, as she expressed, and there's nothing like coming to a concert where they can freely come into the mainstream. I think this great and noble initiative will make our performing arts, particularly Carnatic music, accessible to children without there being any hindrance, or without there feeling any restriction or any complex. They can seamlessly come into the mainstream of these concerts, and therefore it's a wonderful idea that it started. But then you need to have a partner organization which has equally good values, and therefore Dr. Vasudha Prakash and VXL Education Society couldn't have chosen for this initiative a better organization than Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, because Bhavan that was founded by the great Indian K. Munshi has been propagating our heritage, our values and our culture, not only in various cities in India but even across the globe. And Bhavan, apart from running various activities, has a cultural wing, and of which Sri Rajshekhar, as we know, is the chairman of Kala Kendra of the Bhavan. And it was nice to hear from Dr. Vasudha Prakash that after brainstorming with him, this idea came up, and I think it's come not a day too soon. I must also, at this juncture, refer to the Bhavan Auditorium, which has been remarkably transformed by the dynamic chairman, Sri Sabharatnam. Because I was here a couple of months back for another function. I knew that something was happening, but in that short time, this has become a nice state-of-the-art auditorium. And I think all of you are lucky to be able to enjoy concerts here at least once a month. And I definitely would encourage all of you to come and support this great cause that VXL has been espousing for children with special needs in they have various initiatives and programs, as was explained, but this one is really would help heal, would help also create a good, positive, feel-good factor amongst all those who sometimes feel depressed from time to time for want of not doing anything, or for not being able to carry on their activities like others in the normal course, and therefore it's a great initiative. And therefore I commend both these organizations for coming together for starting this. But then, as Dr. Vasudha Prakash said, you need musicians with a heart, with compassion, to be able to give to the society what they, after they have achieved certain proficiency and greatness in their own field. And I don't think VXL Education Society could have found a better brand ambassador than our socially sensitive Carnatic vocalist Bombay Jayashree, because she is not only among the top-ranking musicians today, she has enthralled listeners not only in Chennai, the rest of India, but all over the world. And for a musician of her greatness and stature to be able to give this back to all of you who deserve this, I think it's remarkable, and it's great to hear that she and of course some other musicians also have been visiting the school of VXL and singing or performing their other arts to the children there, and the children have immensely enjoyed, there's no question about it, and therefore I think if all good things like this come together, we can look forward to a socially more sensitive society, to a place where everybody is treated as equal and there is a seamless integration and inclusiveness of all strata of society and people, whether they are talented, whether they suffer some disabilities or challenges. I think this is one great initiative that unifies and includes everybody into that. I think, and therefore, I'm extremely honored and also humbled to be part of this wonderful function. I wish VXL Education Society and Bhavan and all of you great success in the future and many more hours of enjoyment in programs like this. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the kind words about the Bhavan also. Now, I would request Sri L. Sabaratnam, Chairman of Bhavan Kendra, to have a few words.
Good evening, children, parents. Srimati Bombay Jisri, Thiru N. Murali, and good friend Mr. Rajasekhar, Mr. Kandaswamy, and Dr. Vasudha Prakash, founder of VXL. Today I am so happy that to see the children here in our Bhavan, and Mr. Murali's every word has got its own value. He has explained everything, and really we want you to be with us. And this is one of the best occasions. We all meet up, and the Bhavan is always with you, and every month there will be a concert, and this hall will be given to you, and to enjoy yourselves from the Parabrahmas. And the initiative taken by Dr. Vasudha Prakash has been well explained by Mr. Murali, and this is something phenomenal that she has done a wonderful job. This is God created, and we are all very equal in this team line and in this particular tribe, that I wish everyone to be very happy among all of us. And also, when there are many programs are there, and if Vasudha Prakash would like to rather participate in any of those children to come here also, most of you also allow them to come here and enjoy. And thank you for coming all the way, and I express my gratefulness to everyone. Thank you very much. Bye.
Before I would request Mr. Rajasekhar to propose the vote of thanks, I would request our chairman to honor Mrs. P.R. Murali, who would be giving a dance performance today with a shawl. I would request Priya Murali to come to the stage, please. I would request Sri Sabaratnam to honor Sri Anil Srinivasan, who would be giving his piano recital. After proposing the vote of thanks, we will have a dance recital by Srimati Priya Murali and her students, and that is about 5 to 7 minutes. That is again to be followed by a piano recital by Anil Srinivasan, about 15 minutes. Then the students of VXL would be giving us a few songs. So please be seated I would request Sri Rajsekhar to propose the vote on thanks.
Respected elders and friends, even though I have to give a vote of thanks, I'll have to say this particular thing. When Vasudha first mentioned to me about this program called Tarang, immediately my memory went back to early 90s. Thanks to Rotary, we conducted the national level Special Olympics in the year 1990. And there were two incidents which actually came to my mind. The first was, we had a live band for the students, for the children, and their parents themselves were not aware that their children could dance. That's the kind of thing which they exhibited. It was tremendous. In fact, the moment they saw the father or mother, they would become shy. Otherwise, they were freely dancing. It was a great moment for me. The second was, there was a running race. I don't remember, 100 meters or 200 meters. 8 participants were there, 8 children. And as they were running, you know what happened? The first boy was running first. He fell down. The second chap was coming there, stopped and helped him. Very, very, touching it was that the second boy had to help this, and of course they lost the race. But the sense of participation is the most important, according to me. The present day sports, if you talk about sports to people, be sportive, they used to say, that's gone completely, unfortunate. I wish it comes back when, instead of showing fists in the cricket match, you say hello or say a good shot has been played. That's all gone. I think the next generation at least should go back to that. What does this show? This shows how fine human qualities are naturally ingrained in children whom we consider as disabled. In fact, I would say many of them are more able than most of us. More able than most of us. I'm quite sure you people, as Mr. Sabaratnam mentioned, you are welcome here for the normal concerts which go, whoever can come, whoever wants to enjoy. He has given an invitation. And on behalf of the Bharati Vidya Bhavan and VXL Education Trust, I would like to thank my good friend, Mr. Murali, President of the Music Academy, for having accepted to be the chief guest and be here present on this important occasion. This wouldn't have been possible but for my fellow committee members, Mr. Murali of Krishna Sweets, Mr. Sabaratnam, Ramaswamy, all of them. I must thank them profusely for giving me an opportunity to bring this to the Bhavan. I would like to thank the media and also the Rasikas who have come here, the parents, the children, for making this a very enjoyable day. And in advance, I should thank Preeti, Anil Srinivasan, who are going to, and Ms. Prakash, and the girl who did the prayer, all of them. Thank you very much and enjoy.
Yes. On behalf of VXL, Dr. Vasudha Prakash would like to honor the dignitaries.